Section 1.6 is on surface area and volume of a sphere. So the surface area formula for a sphere is 4 pi r squared, and the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So we're going to start off with an example just using those two formulas. So the surface area would be 4. I'm not going to write the formula out again because it's just up here. 4 pi r squared, so that would be 4 pi, and the radius is given as 5 squared. So if we put that in our calculator, 5 squared times 4 times pi, we get 314.159, so on. So approximately 314.2 if you want to round it off to the nearest tenth. And that would be centimeters squared. And the volume would be 4/3 pi, the radius cubed. So again, I'm not going to write out the formula because it's right there. So pi times 5 cubed. So if we do our order of operations, we'd have 5 to the power of 3. And then we can multiply that by 4 and multiply that by pi. And then we can take our answer and divide it by 3. And that gives us 523.5987, and so on. So that would be to the nearest tenth would be 523.6 centimeters cubed because it's a volume measure. Okay, so these are just some examples to try. The first one says an official basketball has a diameter of 25 centimeters and usually has a leather covering. Approximately how much leather in centimeters squared is required to cover 12 official basketballs. So this would be a surface area problem because you're looking at the material to cover or the outside. So it would be surface area equals 4 pi r squared. So it would be 4 times pi. Diameter of 12 would mean the radius would be 12.5, half of that squared. So that would be 12.5 squared times 4 times pi, which would be 1963